Race 7, top of the stretch has Wilfred, Greyland Astrid, Buster's Brother, Lady McCardle, Boo Gurney, Nemesis, Hush's Funny Girl, and Winter Panic. They're off and pacing. Boo Gurney first off the gate. Also driving out alertly is Greyland Astrid. Those two battling for the lead as they enter the first turn, heading to the opening eighth. Also charging up on the outside. And driving up is Winter Panic. They continue into the backstretch first time, and Winter Panic now quickly on the outside has taken over the lead. At the rail, Boo Gurney giving way to sit at the rail in the pocket second to third. That is Greyland Astrid. Followed along the rail in 4 by Buster's Brother. Next in line and sitting in 5, that's Wilfred. Sixth and moving on the outside. First up is Nemesis. Down on the inside in 7, Lady McCardle. And at the back of the field, that's Hush's Funny Girl. The quarter in 28 and 3, and Winter Panic is on the front end by a length and a quarter, with Boo Gurney getting the pocket ride third. And sitting at the rail as they move off the turn is Greyland Astrid. They continue on into the stretch now as they approach the half, and they're led by Winter Panic. Staying in the pocket, Boo Gurney. First up attacker is Greyland Astrid. That gives cover on the outside of Buster's Brother, racing in 4. Fifth and gapped at the rail is Wilfred. Sixth on the inside is Nemesis. Moving on the outside, Lady McCardle. And still at the back, Hush's Funny Girl. They were past the half in 58 and 2/5 seconds. They race on to 3/4. And it's Winter Panic with the lead. Greyland Astrid outside. Attacking uncovered second at the rail, Boo Gurney third. Outside and racing fourth is Buster's Brother. Lady McCardle gaining ground on the outside, up in the contention now in 5. Wilfred back at the rail in 6th, then at Nemesis and Hush's Funny Girl. They move to the 7/8. Winter Panic by a neck on the outside, and still there second. That's Greyland Astrid, 1:28 and 1, the 3/4. They move off the turn with less than an eighth to come, and Greyland Astrid on the outside on even terms with Winter Panic as they swing for home. Greyland Astrid outside. Winter Panic trying to fight back at the rail. Greyland Astrid and Winter Panic. Greyland Astrid first up to win it second. Winter Panic, and finishing third is Lady McCardle.